Hey, big guy. About 5 feet away from this guy. I didn't mean to get this close. The wind blew me in so fast. Here's the end of my pool pole there for picking up litter, and this guy's holding his ground. I thought he would bail as I was just blowing in, and now I'm blowing sideways. He's starting to think about things here. I'm starting to think about things too. How we doing, big guy? Sorry for the intrusion. I didn't mean to get this close. Well, he just disappeared beneath the surface, so anyway, gotta head back into the boat ramp and head home. Didn't mean to disturb him.